Coremattersmore by Alison Fleming. Coremattersmore by Alison Fleming, illustrated by Andra Panna. Sara stood gazing at apples galore, put one in a bag, then reached for some more. "Oops," Sara said. "This apple looks strange. It's tall and uneven. I think I'll exchange." Miss Galla's response came with charm and great care. Her face lit right up as she kindly declared, "A shape's just a shape, doesn't change what's inside. Inside I'm an apple," she said with much pride. "I'm not so sure that a shape doesn't matter. Sometimes I wish that my tummy was flatter." "Our shape on the outside is one of our parts. What makes us superb are our minds and our hearts." "I like what you say and I hope that it's true. Hop in my sack, we'll go home really soon." On Monday at school, Sara's teacher explained, "Time to pick groups for a fun learning game." Amanda was nervous and feeling quite humble. "Can I be with you guys?" she said in a mumble. Then one friend leaned in with a frown on her face. "She'll never fit in. She's too tall for my taste." The words of Miss Galla were there in her heart, so Sara found courage and offered her part. "Tall friends and short friends and middle friends too. If we work together, there's lots we can do. Besides, a shape's just a shape, doesn't change what's inside. Inside, she's a smart girl," Sara said with pride. "Let's pick our teams now, and I want to start, 'cause picking Roberto would just not be smart. He's scrawny and small, and he's not very fast. When we pick our teams, he is always picked last." "A shape's just a shape, doesn't change what's inside. Inside, he's a great kid," Sara said with pride. "Why don't we all play gymnastics and dance? No homework tonight, so now is our chance." "What's wrong?" asked the girls. "Why the long face? Aren't you excited for flips and pliés?" "I want to come play, but the truth is I'm scared. My tummy and legs are too round," Sara shared. "Your tummies are flat and your legs thin and lean. I look so different. Know what I mean?" With kindness and love, the girls both chimed in. "Don't you remember?" they said with a grin. "A shape's just a shape, doesn't change what's inside. Inside, you're a fun friend," they answered with pride. "Okay," exclaimed Sara. "What a relief." Feeling so good they could share the belief that we must let our love for the inside take root, accepting the shapes of all people and fruit. "Thank you, Miss Galla, for showing me how to look at the inside and cherish it now. I'm meeting new people and making new friends. I'm seeing the world through a whole different lens." What a wonderful way to believe and to feel. You learned a great value, and that's a big deal. I'm so glad you listened back at the store. 'Cause what matters the most is what's at the core. What a great story with such a great message. It's what's on the inside that matters most. It's not what we look like or what we sound like, but it's our heart and what's on the inside that counts. I hope that you support our author. I will link all of her information in the description box below and also where you can purchase the book, so you can have your very own copy in your own library at home. Thanks for listening. I'll see you soon.